Pasto, a city full of history, culture, and heritage.
The capital of the department of Nariño will surprise you with its beauty impact. Pasto is affectionately referred to as Colombia's surprise city. Pasto is known for its Carnaval de Negros y Blancos and its beautiful buildings, especially the churches. The city is also famous for the creativity of its artisans. In Pasto, you can find beautiful, high-quality handcrafted items made using various techniques in materials, such as chamfer veneer and barniz de pasto or mopa mopa. One of the many locations of tourist interest in Pasto is the city's enchanting cathedral. It's a modern temple that with more than 400 years of history. The altars and chapels in the cathedral are true work of art. The cathedral is also home to a number of paintings and relics. The Church of San Andres has an extensive history, being of great importance in the development of the Pastusa community. The church has a pre-Romanesque style construction, predominantly the Tuscan style. Due to the large number of remodels, there is no defined style in its structure. Other important churches you can visit while in Pasto include Our Lady of Mercy, the Temple of San Juan, and the Church of San Felipe. While you're in Pasto, you should also visit the Plaza de Nariño or the Plaza de la Constitución. It's the most central square in Pasto, and in its center, you'll find a statue of leader Antonio Nariño. The Plaza del Carnaval is also very important. It was created in 23 to celebrate the Carnaval de Negros y Blancos, and it's an essential part of the Carnival parade. If you'd like to learn more about the Carnaval de Negros y Blancos, there's no better place than the Carnival Museum. The Carnival Museum is a permanent exhibition space for popular art expressed in the Carnaval de Negros y Blancos, allowing their own and visitors to observe and understand the history of an event that is part of the roots of the Pastusos. Inside the facility, it is possible to admire pieces that were part of the winning floats in different versions in the carnival. The city also offers a wide variety of delicious local dishes like empanadas de añejo, quimbolitos, and envoltos de queso, among others. Empanadas de añejo are made with fermented corn dough and filled with a savory stew. They are a legacy from colonial times and an icon of local cuisine. Quimbolitos are fluffy corn cakes wrapped in ashira leaves and steamed, offering a sweet and soft traditional treat from Pasto. Envueltos de queso are made with corn dough and cheese, wrapped in leaves and steamed, achieving a soft texture and an irresistible flavor. The Galeras volcano, or as it's affectionately known thanks to its imposing height, Sleeping Lion. Here, you can encounter a diverse array of flora and fauna, typical of Paramo, high Andean, and Andean ecosystems. Around Galeras, a network of streams originates, with approximately 125 streams, several rivers, and 4 lagoons: Negra, Verde, Del Pis, and Mejía, supplying water to the surrounding communities and the Galeras National Natural Park. It's a natural reserve located in El Encano, on the outskirts of Pasto. Acocha Lagoon surrounds La Corota Island Flora Sanctuary, which is home to mammals such as mountain tapir, northern pudu, and spectacle birds, and bird species like grebes, golden ducks, snipes, and Andean ducks. Important plant species include frailejons. It's a beautiful place where peace, quiet, and a feeling of incomparable freedom invites of the environment. I love my city.